Hello. Have you ever noticed what people tell you when you are tired? What about yourself? What do you tell yourself when you are feeling exhausted? Do you reach for more caffeine, ignore the signs, or take on that tough persona trying to prove everyone, including yourself, that you can power through it? Last year, I got a new watch for tracking my physical activities. Among its many features, this watch monitors the duration and quality of my sleep, as well as my training readiness fluctuations. Since then, I have become acutely aware of the impact that sleep deprivation can have on my health, well-being, and productivity. Now, let's transition to the world of manufacturing. If you are a plant or operations manager, how can you justify risking people's health and safety, product quality, creativity, and innovation if you are not ensuring that your workforce has sufficient rest? Besides the obvious considerations, here are 3 surprising truths about the value of rest. Number 1. Reduced burnout risk. Chronic stress and overwork can contribute to burnout, which negatively impacts employee well-being and performance. Number 2. Better emotional regulation. Lack of rest can contribute to irritability, mood swings, emotional exhaustion, and conflict within the team. Number 3. Improved focus and concentration. Adequate rest allows employees to recharge their mental batteries, leading to improved focus, concentration, and cognitive function. Next time someone tells you that they are really tired, make sure to advise them to get more sleep rather than more coffee. Seriously, why should people invest giving their very best in a business if that business does not demonstrate care and concern for them as individuals? Stefan Zweig once said, "The pause is part of the music." This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.